dig this truck. It runs so good. But that exhaust, I don't like the sound of it. All rattling loose, and sounds like there's a hole somewhere in there, a little fit. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that as well. This bad boy going. Let's get it sounding good. What do you guys think? I'm thinking we're gonna take off that ugly dual exhaust, and we're gonna put on, just like my other truck, we're gonna put on a nice 2-in-1 single exhaust. Shoot it out that right side, up higher, way higher than that, close to that bottom of the fender as possible. That's what I'm thinking. 3-inch pipe all the way back, something really open, but I will put some sort of muffler in there and just take that pop and that crack out, I think. So that should sound good and really let this thing just breathe like it should, like it wants to. And we'll see how that goes. That truck right there sounds so good with that 2-in-1 custom exhaust, and that's only 2¼ inch. So I'm thinking, let's go get some 3-inch straight through. But first, listen to this. Thing cranks right up. And let's listen to this mess. Oh, that sounds terrible. We got holes blown, we got loose brackets. Listen to that. That sounds terrible. And it looks terrible. It's all crooked. It hangs so low. I don't know. Terrible. I don't like it. Listen to that rattle. So let's get that fixed. I can't take it anymore. All right, let's get a listen to this thing, what it sounds like when you're actually driving compared to the other one. Jerked them. That bad once you're actually rolling. It actually don't sound bad. It's too bad that it's all full of holes or whatever. Runs great. The engine itself sounds great. So we're up here in Plastow, New Hampshire now. Listen now. You hear that? Custom exhaust. There it is, loose. Let's go see Doug. All right, there it is, all done. Guys, I dropped this off before they opened. 5 hours later, I had it back. Now look at that. You don't even see. Remember the exhaust hanging down? That ugly old exhaust hanging down? Gone. You can't get that up any tighter than they got it. I said, put that up as tight as you can. You cannot get much tighter. So now I gotta figure out how my Greta stick is gonna go on this one, huh? Look at that, you guys. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Custom 2-in-1, baby. 3-inch pipe. We ain't messing around. Holy mackerel, you guys, listen to this thing. Ready? Whoa. Listen. So bassy. Let's go for a ride and see what it sounds like. Once again, that's Lou's custom exhaust. Oh, spinning them. Jesus, chirping them all the way out of here. Oh, that sounds so good. Smell it, new exhaust pipe. Sounds like a new car. Half mast. Relationship with them. All right, let's take some nice 35, 40 mile an hour roads to get back. Listen to that, guys. That's so good. I'm speeding. Sorry. Oh, gotta pull over. All right. Has a jump over these tracks. Oh yeah. This one I take my foot off the gas, alright? Sounds so good. Ready? You ever want to hear the exhaust get stuck behind a bus? Alright, I am not going that way. Thank you. Can you hear this bass? Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, let's go. Not regret this decision at all. Runs good, sounds good. You really can just tell how fresh and young this motor really is, mileage-wise, now that it's not all rattly. All right, I'm gonna pork it, and then I'm gonna take my foot off the gas so you can just listen. Damn, that sounds good. Well, it's booted up a hill here a little bit. Yeehaw. Whoa. Listen. So bassy. Holy mackerel, you guys. Listen to this thing. Ready? Whoa. 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 Whoa.